Wow, it's dry, guys. Let's get into it. So today, guys, I'm doing a lot of washing. I'm definitely doing a lot of washing. Okay, so before you start your washing, you have to sort your clothes, whites aside, the colorful ones to aside, so that you wash the whites before you wash the other one, or you can even wash the other one. But I want you to know that don't mix the clothes, and kindly check the texture too, because some of them have some like foamy texture, and others too are having cotton, others are having nylon. So check the texture, make sure you wash and line fabrics. Yeah, so I did this first round. I placed 3 buckets of water into it, and then my other clothes that I'm going to wash, I have this 3 dresses, I have bedspread, I have other things in it, because I was choosing the fabric I wanted to align. So here you come and start your machine. You check your water level, and you want to know the wash you are going for. We have quick wash, we have soft wash, we have heavy duty, we have soak wash. Okay, so because I want to skip the soak wash, after I put my detergent in, I will leave for a while for it to soak itself. Then I am doing standard wash today, because I like standard wash because it includes all the things the machine needs. It includes the heavy duty, you get me, all the standard. So I always go to this. I always go for the standard wash. So now it's up to 41. I set it up to 45 minutes. So after a while, I came back to check, and it's still working. Let me leave you guys to enjoy. I'll get back to you again. I got a lot of messages from my other videos saying that my clothes are not washing well or something. So what you do now is that after your clothes has been washed for a while, then you come and off your machine. You off your machine and you start again. Have you seen it? So after I wash for about 15 minutes, then you come and off your machine, then you on it again and you start the process again. You get it? So by the time, if in case you still have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section. I'm glad to answer all your questions. You just look at these clothes after I'm done with everything, not even done like that. Let's see the texture of this fabric. Like, you can't even feel any water in it. You see the machine is still requesting 23 additional minutes for everything to be done. So imagine that because I was doing another washing, I couldn't wait, so I took my things out and I did another washing. You get me, guys? So this machine washing is everything.